In today's video, I will teach you how to make a halftone effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit, and at the bottom of the Layers panel, create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Solid Color. Here, you can choose which color your background is going to be, and once you're satisfied, make sure to select the subject layer first, and in the menu bar, click on the Filters tab and select Filters Gallery. Now, select Halftone. You can adjust the settings depending on what you're going for, but make sure to select Dot on the pattern type. Once you're done, select the blending mode that suits your image. In this tutorial, I will use Overlay. If you're not happy with how the background color turned out with the blending mode, you can still change it by double-clicking on the adjustment layer. Once you're done, create a new fill or adjustment layer, and in the menu bar, click on the Filters tab and select Noise. Then add Noise. You can adjust the amount of the noise using the slider, but in this tutorial, I will be using Gaussian as a noise distribution. You can also enable monochrome for a better noise effect. Once you're done, go ahead and choose a blending mode and adjust the opacity to your liking. If you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. But here, I'm just going to add some texture and we're done. You can now make a halftone effect in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.